Hey guys, do you think a normal game night with your friends would be the same if we substitute your friend with thinking machine? Like Sophia, for example. Would a bunch of Sophia fill in your friend's shoes? Let's break down the nature of this question in detail by exploring the various fields of cognitive science.
Firstly, start dealing with thinking itself and try to view it from a neurological perspective. Let's imagine the thinking process. You see a pink t-shirt in the shop window. This is a stimulant, which is input. Your neurons send the picture of the t-shirt to each other. Information goes to memory in hippocampus, which is like the storage. However, human brain deal with tons of inputs simultaneously. There could be lots of different information that might be sent through your neural network, resulting in different outputs. So we can say that there is a phenomenon named the continuity in the nervous system. We can use it to argue that one cannot expect to be able to mimic the behavior of the nervous system with a machinery system. So let's say you actually decide to go and try the t-shirt. This is what is called an output, which is your response to the stimulant. This is nearly how the information processing system flows. Our brain is not bound by a rule or a particular stream of thought. Neurons transmit information to each other through an electric current called an action potential. This information processing is not subject to a picking rule, but keep in mind, the period for producing a decision is not definite. Human beings thinking in an unpredictable way.
Because if we try and analyze machinery process, the information processing system in machine is much simpler than ours. It's more linear process. There are only inputs and outputs. So how come there are robots that look very human, like Sophia? The answer is hidden in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has a more powerful data processing system than the technologies we use in daily life. By using so-called continuous data, artificial intelligence can often have more analysis space. Unlike our brain and our thought system as humans, machines in generally are ruled by a specific thought process. We can see that difference up until now is still vague. What makes this ruled or not bound by a rule concept so important? The philosophical part in cognitive field asks questions such as what makes human thinking distinct from machinery thinking?
Value, purpose, and meaning, all of which are concepts heavily argued upon, can machines think while processing or producing such concepts? In addition to that, we can't forget the value of creative thinking, which is solely a human thing.
What is creativity? The ability to produce or develop original work, theories, techniques, or thoughts. Why people can use language creatively, and linguistics suggests that we process language in a modular system, meaning that it is processed in a different way than normal cognitive functions. Anthropology also suggests that we develop complex system of thought and cultural norms through thinking and using language. And the fundamental foundation of our society based on human thinking processes. Psychology field also offers the argument of informality of behavior, suggests something similar to what we have mentioned before, the ruled or not concept. A machine will reach and produce an output of an order to stop when there is an object standing in front of the car. A human may, surprisingly and terrifyingly not.
Meaning, value, the concept of ethics, question of morality, are all things which are considered metaphysical, and unlike machine thinking and artificial intelligence systems, human thinking is constantly involved in these fields. Now, with all that we've learned, let's get back to the question. Can machine think? Definitely. But like humans, I leave the answer to this question to you creative guys. Goodbye.